Cape Lookout. That was just a little too crowded for me. Too many people today. We'll find our own vantage point up here. There's a nice one I know of, an old surveyor's point. See if we can get there. Blackberries are all right. Should pick some. Yeah, we'll stop here for a minute. Now we're looking north. Wow. There on the right you can see Netarts Bay. On the left you see the Pacific. See what else we can find here. Well, another beautiful day here, and we're going to be talking about an introduction to Europe pretty soon, and an introduction to world regions as well. So let's head out. Let's maybe head down here, see where we can go a little more. These are the tools of map making and engineering and surveying. I hope everybody learns how to use this stuff and find their way, at least using maps. Billy Anderson was a well-known county engineer for many years here in Tillamook, Oregon, and surveyed the whole coastline in the 1930s through the 1960s, from what I've been told. Sometimes it's called Anderson's Point, and you saw a little bit of it earlier, the better view from up above. This is almost all grown over down here. Not the best view, but did find this. Where does the United States end? Well, international maritime law, I think in the future it's going to be more of a big problem. Okay, but usually we adhere to 12 miles off the coast. That's U.S. territory. Some countries claim 250 miles off the coast is theirs. Some places 3 miles, which used to be a standard. And when you think about it, think about countries that are close together on the coast. Think about Central America, think about Southeast Asia, Think about island states like Indonesia and where they can claim their territorial waters are. Those are big issues. There's many places in the South Pacific where China makes claims, Vietnam, Malaysia, the Philippines, all over the same part of the sea as their territory. So I think in the future there's going to be more issues about this. Anyways, this looks like a fun place here. It's pretty steep. I don't think you can climb down here. I wouldn't try it. Got some wild cucumbers growing. I can see them on the hillside here, and some goldenrod maybe down there. This might be a good place to watch for whales because you can see them breaking and spouting, but this is the wrong time of year to find whales here. The California gray whales, they migrate from Mexico, from the Baja, all the way up north during the spring and in the fall, and we might have a chance of seeing some, but I don't think today, not today. So let's think I'm gonna wrap up this little tour here today and head up north. Maybe it was interesting, I don't know, just random exploring, looking at the coastline. I was going to Cape Lookout, but it's closed. It's a state park and it's closed. I think that's because of the coronavirus, like lots of things, keeping people out from camping, and there's cabins and lodges up there, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so keep going. See you soon.